Camp Nou construction advances across multiple zones with workers operating throughout Tribuna, South Goal, Lateral, and North Goal sectors. The second tie rod stands successfully installed, while ceramic slat preparations continue. Painting operations progress extensively, preventing future contamination during installations. The official store diamond achieves remarkable completion status, with all glazing finished. Please like and subscribe for daily construction updates. It's completely free and supports continued coverage. Starting at Tribuna, workers paint anti-corrosive coatings on bracket anchors and connection points. Two platforms operate, positioning a small connection beam joining to the pillar. One beam is already installed, with the central beam currently being positioned. Workers measure and adjust placement, removing chains blocking the installation path. The right structure shows all sandwich panels now installed. Platform operations continue on elevator structures, with workers applying white treatment material. The official store diamond displays beautiful progress, with both door frames installed and all 6 glass panels now complete. The 3 upper door panels and 3 additional panels creating impressive appearance. A concrete pump positions behind the diamond, though workers currently sit idle. The diamond represents one of the most advanced structures stadium-wide. South Goal shows minimal activity currently, with few platforms operating. Workers operate at ground level, but overall this zone remains quiet as crews restore equipment after yesterday's match. The South Goal corner presents contrasting activity levels with multiple active work points. The upper platform operates on slat support bracket zones, preparing for upcoming ceramic slat installations. A truck delivers new slat components, these likely destined for false ceiling completion or bracket zone installations. The structure in front of sandwich panels shows floor installation advancing. The floor surface is now positioned in sections, though additional areas require completion. Workers tighten anchors throughout, preparing bracket mounting points. The crane positions ready for slat lifting operations, suggesting installations may commence today or tomorrow before Wednesday's match. Moving to lateral shows the second tie rod, now successfully installed with all anchor bolts positioned correctly. The initial positioning complications have been resolved. The component fits perfectly. The compression ring staging area shows 2 pillars remaining with phalanges ready. Upper zones show ceramic slat installations looking beautiful from distance. The corner shows concrete pump actively pouring in upper formwork zones. Workers operate on scaffolding, performing painting operations on walls. Before moving to North Goal, workers operate on scaffolding, painting the wall near the Masia corner. An excavator is visible in this zone, with painting operations progressing on the left side. North Goal corner shows workers scraping and preparing beams, with one worker hammering surfaces. Bracket painting requirements remain throughout before slat installations can proceed. All anchor bolts show white anti-corrosive treatment, requiring full beam painting completion first. The staging area behind access doors contains substantial slat support bracket quantities ready for installation once vertical connection pieces mount to black beams. That wraps up today's Camp Nou construction update from Megaverse Builds. Thank you for watching and following along with the stadium's ongoing transformation. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for daily construction coverage. Your support helps bring these updates every day. See you in the next video with more developments.